Lately, I can't stop myself from sneaking out at night after my kids go to sleep and taking Bluey, my NB2 Miata, for a drive in the back roads. The headlights in the Miata are decent, but I think they could be better for not a lot of effort, especially because the NB2 already has these projectors from factory. Today, I'm going to be restoring the headlights and putting some fresh LEDs in there, so let's get started. I decided to go with Auxito LED bulbs for this upgrade for two reasons. First, they're sponsoring today's video, but more importantly, I recently installed some of their bulbs on Vader 900 and they've been performing very well. So today I'm swapping out the low beams and the high beams on Bluey to see how much better the light output is compared to the old stock halogens. The install was super straightforward, honestly one of the easiest bulb changes I've ever done. Both the high and low beams are right up in front of the housing with nothing in the way. Just a quick twist, pull the old one out, pop the new LEDs in, and you're done. Before we check out the new LEDs, I had to do something about these nasty yellow lenses, so I grabbed this 3M headlight restoration kit. It comes with basically everything you need, minus a drill. I went through the process, wet sanding with 500 grit, This is after 3000. With the headlight restoration done, let's get this thing out on the road and see how the new LEDs actually perform. Gone are those dull yellowed halogens. These new 6500 Kelvin Auxito LEDs are noticeably brighter, much wider, and they light up the road way better. The high beams are straight up deer blinders at this point. You're probably wondering about the cutoff, and I'm happy to report it's actually really good. Obviously, they're not on the level of a proper projector retrofit, but for a fraction of the price, these deliver excellent results. If you're interested in picking up a set, I'll drop a link in the description along with a 15% off code just for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.